Alright, there you guys go. That's what the contact lenses look like on my naturally dark brown eyes, and this is what they look like with makeup on. Again, I'm using artificial lighting, so if you guys would like me to do a video showing you guys these lenses in natural daylight, definitely let me know. But otherwise, if you guys would like to check out my other contact lens review videos, I'll have them linked down in the description box down below. I have reviewed a couple of the Solotica shades in the past, both the HIDROCOR and the Natural Color range, so just check that out. Now we're going to move on to the nitty-gritty bit of this video. I will be talking about the colour itself, how it blends, the comfort level and everything like that, so if that's your jam, definitely keep on watching. Okay, let's talk about the colour first. So this colour is called Cristal, and it honestly looks more like a silvery grey type colour online, but on my eyes, they definitely look a little bit more blue, and I don't mind that. I actually really like that. I actually do prefer contact lenses that lean towards more blue, but my theory is the reason why it's showing up like that on me is because of the tone of my eyes, like the brown underneath. Here is a photo of my natural eye colour. It's definitely more of a warm tone brown, definitely more on the red side of things, and the lens itself, once you apply it on top, it gives it a very, I suppose, blue tone shift to it. I think it's just how the colours, I suppose, mix on my eye, like the illusion, and it gives me sort of this bluey green sort of shade. It's very similar to QUARTZO, but I feel like QUARTZO is a lot lighter compared to this. So if you guys are a fan of QUARTZO but you find that a little bit too light for your liking, try out Cristal. I feel like it's just the next step up in terms of shade, and it looks nicer, I think. Now let's talk about how well it blends with your natural eye color. Now I feel like in terms of pupil size, this isn't the narrowest that I've seen from Solotica. I've seen narrower from Solotica. I feel like this is actually quite wide. I don't know, I've been experimenting with a couple of other lenses and a lot of them have very small pupil sizes now, like almost pinpoint, and gives you tunnel vision. So I think I'm a little bit used to that now, but I mean, it's not the widest, it's not like a circle lens where it's like super dilated, but you know, you can definitely see a lot of your natural eye color peeking through with this particular lens style. In terms of blending, I don't feel like there is much blending, but you also have to consider the color itself. So when I talk about blending, I mean how much of a contrast there is from the color itself, from the lens and your natural eye color. Obviously, if you have lighter eyes, this isn't going to be a problem, but for someone that has dark brown eyes, it's definitely going to be a lot more obvious. Now if I'm looking straight into the camera, I feel like you can't really tell too much because I've got the circle from the ring light illuminating that, so it kind of blurs that. But honestly, in real life, in person, you can definitely see the pupil. And depending on, I suppose, the axis of your eye, one contact lens could be here and one slightly squiff. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I do get that problem when I first apply the lenses, especially with this eye. I feel like the lens kind of dips down a bit, or almost looks like it's looking down. But that's just me being very hypercritical. I don't think anyone really has noticed it in real life, like face to face. I've asked my partner, he hasn't really noticed any difference. Now in terms of the comfort, I do prefer the Natural Colors comfort range. I feel like it's a lot more breathable compared to the HIDROCOR range. I have a whole video on that if you guys are interested in that, but comfort wise, it's okay. It's definitely on the thicker side of things. I can't really wear Solotica lenses for more than, I'd like to say, 4 to 6 hours these days. I feel like my eyes aren't as tolerant as they used to be. But you know, if you're just going to be wearing them out for a night out or a couple of hours, I feel like it's fine. It's going to be comfortable enough, you know, just for your photos, for your videos. Now in terms of how natural it is on the eye, I will actually say that this is a lens that is not very natural on the eye. When I say that, just like up close on the eye itself, not like me overall. I know that naturally light eyes is very rare for someone of my ethnicity. I'm just saying like the actual eye itself. It's not very natural looking. It's definitely one of those more wow fashion contact lenses. I feel like that's just my personal opinion. But yeah, I really like it though. I really like the fact that it's got that limbal ring and it's just a nice beautiful colour. It's very eye-catching. Anyway, that's pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to check out the description box down below. I have a playlist of all the other videos I've done on Solotica lenses, all the different shades that I've tried in the past, and I also have the year as well because I think they change the pattern every now and then, so just to give you guys a bit of a reference. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.